Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you have watched any of my videos, welcome. I am Michelle. I normally just rant about my personal experience as a sign-in agent. Today I wanted to talk to you just about building and having additional streams of income. It's really great, right? If you still have your full-time job, that's awesome, right? That's great. Have that full-time job. If you thought about becoming a sign-in agent, go ahead and do that part-time and still keep your full-time job. It is doable. I did it for a few months before I decided to quit and become full-time. It is doable. You can do it, okay? But today, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am embarking on a new journey in addition to being a sign-in agent, a mentor, with my journeyship training that I'm doing on Tuesdays. I will be adding reselling. I used to sell on eBay a long time ago, and I actually did pretty well, but it was just, I was doing cell phones and maybe some shoes and a couple other things. But I am going to get back into doing that now because I have so many clothes in my closet that still have tags on them that I just don't want to just donate. I want to actually get some of my money back for it. I have donated so much stuff to the Goodwill. I've sent clothes to my niece in Massachusetts. She was running a shelter, women's shelter at the time. And I think I sent her like 80, I think it was like 79, 80 pounds of clothes to give to her ladies at the shelter. So I definitely believe in giving back. But at the same time, I also believe in getting back, right? Getting back some of my money I spent. So that's what I want to do. If you see on my computer behind me, you see some graphs, whatever, it's an Excel spreadsheet. So today what I am doing, because I want to take you guys along my journey, right? I have not listed one item yet. Excuse me. But what I am doing is inventory. So some of the things that I have in my closet that I want to put into my closet on PoshMark, or if I decide to sell it on eBay, I am going to, well, actually, this is from PoshMark. I'm going to upload and put this information into this spreadsheet. For like an example, right? So I have this pretty shirt. It's like, it's a pretty shirt. It probably doesn't look all that fabulous the way I'm showing it or whatever, but it's a Chico's shirt. So it's a big girl shirt. But it's really pretty. I mean, it'll go really nice with a pair of jeans and a nice pair of heels. Yeah, you can dress it up like that. It was regular $109. My husband paid $75 for it. And I never wore it, not one time. So I'm going to put it on Poshmark. It's going into my inventory. So I'm going to see if I can get some of my money back for this. I have other items. Some nice little stretch pants. Look at these clothes with tags on them, right? This denim skirt. I don't even know if people still wear denim skirts, but I never wore it. Let's see. Regular 60, on sale for 40 bucks. I don't know what made me buy that. I never wore that skirt. Are denim skirts coming back in? Because if so, look at these pants. Never wore them. Lane Bryant pants. These were like these were $80. $80 for these pants. So I know that I probably won't get $80 for them, but at least I'll get something, right? Because I'm not going to just give these away, or whatever. So I tried to sell these in a yard sale. I couldn't even get $3 in a yard sale for my little polo shirts, but we'll see. We will see what happens here. Because you know what God has for me is for me. So I'm going to get more than $3. I might get $4. All right, guys. So just wanted to let you know what my next journey is. I'm not stopping my loan signings. I'm not stopping my mentoring or anything like that. I'm just adding an additional stream of income. So I have allotted maybe a few hours on Saturday and maybe a few hours on Tuesday to go ahead and work on this business. So I'm going to take you guys along the way. So I may list something today. If not today, I'll probably list it on Sunday. And then kind of give you guys an update every Sunday. That's what I'll do. I'll update, do my inventory today, upload my first listings tomorrow, and I'll give you guys like an update every Sunday on how this reselling thing is going. You never know, it may be something for you. I know you got a bunch of stuff in your closet. Take a picture, upload it, bam. So I will actually walk you through kind of like my process though. So when I start taking my pictures, I'll, record that as well. So have a great day. Just wanted to let you know that, if you're looking for additional streams of income, it's out there. You just got to work hard, play hard. Remember, anything that you do, you got to put your best into it. So what you put into your business is what you're going to reap out of your business. Okay. All right. Remember what God has for you. He has for you. Have a great day.